my friends. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. This is our last normal week. Agree? All right. We are checking page 211 here. Okay? We will review here. We have a quiz here. And then we have review. Okay? Now, friends, this Friday right here, this is the last day that you can make up anything. Well, missing homework, missing tests and quizzes. But I'm going to warn you, Thursday and Friday this week, I am not available during 8th period. Okay? And if you're going to sit there and cry to me about it, and I say, well, shoot, you have something you owe me since September, and you waited until now, sorry. Okay?
And you guys can show us it like during class, like missing homework. You can show it to us during class. You don't have to wait until Friday to show us. You can show us like throughout the week.
Yep.
And we'll count it, and we won't have any issue with that.
And it doesn't have to be all at once. If you're working and you're like, hey, I got 5 of the 8 that I'm missing, show us the 5 so that we can get it in.
And I have a ton of quizzes and tests over here because if no one gets these done by Friday, it's going to go in as a 0.
It's already a 0.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how school works.
So, and thank you. Hold on. Let me make sure there's this. Cool. Thank you.
Giddy up. All right. So my friends, what I will do for you, it's not done yet, but come this Thursday, I will give you kind of a big packet. It's the review. This review looks very similar to what the final exam has. No, you can't use the review on the final exam. It's all multiple choice. Okay? Now, between Thursday and Friday, we will not have time to go probably through all 44 of the problems that there are. So what I will do is I will create a video that will have all 44 of the questions worked out so you can study off of it between Thursday and Friday. I'll have it posted by Thursday. Okay? It's your choice and it's your education. Okay, some of you are doing very well. Some of you are going to see this class a second time next year. That's how it is. This is not middle school. We don't socially promote. Yeah, we'll promote you to a sophomore with very few credits. I have a senior that is in my advisory who has 1.5 credits total. They're not going to graduate. Oh my gosh. No, they're not.
Okay, so why don't you take a secret phone?
All right. So our assignment from last time was 211. Is that what I said? So, oops. Page 211, number 3. You got it. Okay, this is the one. Yes, is that correct? Cool. All right, so let's take a look at it. First thing that we want to realize, I'm going to just write this down, but I'm going to erase it then. If I add these together, I wind up getting this. And that's not going to help us, right? So I'm going to get rid of that. So we know that we just can't add them together. All right, so I think, what if we multiplied the whole top by -5, and watch what happens here. So -5 times x is -5x. -5 times -4y is positive 20y. And -5 times 24 is negative. Let's see, 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 10, that's 120. And then I'm going to move this one over all by itself. Yeah, because -5 times x, -5x, -5 times -4y is positive 20y. -5 times -24 is -120. Okay, so if I add these together now, the x's are gone, and that gives me 14y is equal to -112. Okay? Divide each side by 4, and we wind up with -8. So my first answer is -8. That's a y value. Oh, they're both -8? All right, so I'm going to take this, and I'm going to plug it either into this one or this one. It doesn't matter. I might plug it into the first one. So I get 8 minus 4 times -8 equals 24. X plus 32, because -8 times -4 is -32. Subtract 32. So it looks like we get -8. Ooh, -8 comma -8. That's a valid answer. What else did you see on page 211 I could help you with? What else? 7? You got it. Number 7. 2x minus 3y is equal to 17. 4x minus 6y equals 25. Is that the right one? Okay. So we're going to take a look. Let's multiply the whole top by -2. So I get -4x plus 6y equals -34. And then this is 4x minus 6y equals 25. When I add all these together, those cancel. Is 0 equal to -9? No, this is totally false. Agree? Totally false means we have no solution. What if those were? What if I got like 0 equals 0 in that case, or -9 equals -9? What would happen? If I had a true statement there, it becomes what? Infinite. Good. You were listening. Pretty color on your lips. What else you got?
4.
4. Number 4 says 4x plus 2y is equal to 0. And then I get 2x minus y equals -8. So we have to think what we're going to do. I think if I multiply the whole second equation by 2, so the top equation is going to stay as is. The bottom equation, if I distribute that to all those, I get 4x minus 2y equals -16. Add those together.
Sorry for your.
You good? Add those together. That's going to give me 8x. Those cancel, equals -16. Divide each side by 8. X equals -2. Okay? I'm going to take this -2. It's an x value. I'm going to plug it either here or here. It doesn't matter. I'll plug it into the top one. So I get 4 times -2 plus 2y equals 0. -8 plus 2y equals 0. Add 8 to both sides. So y equals 4. Done. 5. Ready? Number 5, 3x plus 4y is equal to 11. 5x minus 6y is equal to 31. All right. Thank you for asking about this one. I have to multiply both the top and the bottom by a number. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify one of the letters to get rid of, and I'm going to choose to get rid of the y's. Okay? So friends, what is the smallest number that 4 goes into and 6 goes into? 12. Does 12 make sense? 4 goes into 12 3 times. 6 goes into 12 twice. All right, so I have to multiply both. So I'm going to multiply the whole top by 3, the whole bottom by 2. So the whole top equation distributed, I get 9x plus, nope, I'm going to show you why in a sec, but that's a good observation. And then on bottom, this is going to come down to 10x minus 12y equals 62. The reason it's not a -2 on bottom is I already had opposite signs here. So when I add these together, those cancel, so I get 19x is equal to 95. Divide each side by 19. Gosh, I wish we could use a calculator. Oh, I get 5. All right, I'm going to take that 5. That's what x is equal to. I'm going to plug it into either of those. I'd probably pick the top one to do. So I'm going to get 3 times 5 plus 4y equals 11. So I get 15 plus 4y equals 11. Subtract 15, subtract 15. So 4y equals negative 4. Divide by 4, divide by 4. So y equals negative 1. Done. Six. I like it. I like it. 6. Ready? Anywhere? Everyone else ready?
You don't have to do 6. It's okay.
Why not?
Yeah, why not?
Because you didn't do your homework and you're not.
Oh, he's just plagiarizing?
No.
No, I'm doing it. I'm writing down by myself.
Yeah.
I just copied down what you wrote. All right. I'm going to get rid of y's. I'm going to multiply the top by 3. So I'm going to get 6x plus 9y equals 6. Bottom equation doesn't get affected by anything. Add these together. 10x, those cancel, equals 5. Hey, what's x equal to then? 1/2. It's 5 over 10, which is 1/2, right? All right, so I get 1/2 as my x value. I'm going to take this 1/2. I'm going to plug it into either one of these. I'll pick the top one. So I get 2 times 1/2. But it's a fraction. Okay, calm down. Half of 2 is 1. Subtract 1. So 3y equals 1. So divide each side by 3. So I get 1/3. Ooh, baby. That would not have been a fun one to graph. Because 1/2 and 1/3 are really close to each other, and I bet you it's pretty hard to make that dot work out the right way. All right, peeps. I'm going to give you an extraordinary amount of time to work out page 213, 1 through 9. It's only the front page. Got it?